Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechHD. So in this video I'm going to show you command how it works. It is called tracert command. So run this command, you have to go to CMD, you have to run this as administrator. Now from here you need to type tracert. Suppose we want to go to facebook.com. So you have to type facebook.com. After typing this you have to press enter. So when you press enter, the tracert command will show you from the gateways in which path the facebook.com is going. So first of all it will show the your device gateway, then it will show your ISP gateway. So you have to wait for some time. It will also give you the timing, how much time it will take to go from your gateway. The package is going from your gateway. So you can troubleshoot your network very quickly if you can see in which gateway the package is not going and it is stopping. Then you can identify the problem from where the problem is going on. So as you can see, this in these gateways it is going the package. So the last gateway you can see the last destination is facebook.com and is showing is IP. So if you had some problem in this middle, it will show you not connecting or not going. So that is where you can work on it and you can troubleshoot the network. So this is how the tracer command works. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.